Hey guys, today I am going to be making a dragon punch. It has no dairy and is sweetened with all natural ingredients. So if you are interested, please come along with me. Please remember to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel for more awesome, tasty and delicious recipes. Let's get started. These are the ingredients I will be adding first into the blender. So I'm going to be using 2 medium speckled bananas. I'm going to be using some soy milk. You can use a non-dairy milk of your choice. And also I'm going to be using some oats. I'm using instant oats. I may use more oats guys, but I like to add like a cup first to see if it has a thickness that I like. If not, then I would add more. So I'm going to peel the bananas, then I'm going to break them and add them into the blender. So guys, I'm using the banana as the sweetener. Also I'm going to be using some honey. Normally I will use raw peanuts to make the punch, but I'm going to be using my favorite peanut, packed peanut. So it has raisins and nuts. So I'm going to open it and then I'm going to add it into the blender. If you like guys, you can use your favorite packed peanut, or if you want to use a raw peanut, then go ahead and do so. I like to add spices to my punch, so I am going to be adding 2 teaspoons of vanilla. If you like, you can add 1, but I'm going to be adding 2 because I love vanilla. Also, I am going to add half teaspoon of cinnamon powder. You can add a freshly grated nutmeg, or you can add some mixed spice. Here I am adding a teaspoon of molasses. It is very good for the body, so I like to add it into my punch. I am adding 2 teaspoons of honey. You can add more depending on your taste. One-eighth teaspoon of salt. So here I am blending on a high speed. It may not blend fully at this point, but I'm going to stop when it's almost fully blended and I'm going to add the dragon. But if I let it blend and it's not thick the way I like it, then I'm going to add some more oats. But normally when you add peanuts or raisins into a punch, it takes a little longer time to blend depending on the speed of your blender. I am going to be using a spoon to test the thickness of it. As I said earlier, I may add more oats. I added half cup more oats, so I'm going to blend for another minute or 2. Afterwards I'm going to stop and add the butter of dragon. I forgot to say guys that I'm using chilled milk. The bananas were also cold and the dragon is cold. So if you're using room temperature ingredients, then you can add an ice cube. I like to pour my dragon, then I blend it again, but if you like, you could pour the mixture into a jug, then you add your dragon. Yes guys, so my dragon punch is all done. So I'm going to pour some into a glass and let you see how it looks. I love mine to be this way guys. I don't like it too thick or too runny. So I hope you enjoy this video guys. If you do, please remember to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel for more awesome, tasty and delicious recipes. Thanks for watching guys. It's a pleasure to have you here with me. To my old subscribers, what would it be without you? To my new subscribers, I am very elated guys and I thank you so much. Please do come again. Thanks for watching and I will see you in another video. Bye bye.